What a little setup here. How lovely. Oh, look at these, folks. I met these lovely uncles here. Amazing, folks. Look at this. Look at this setup. Look at this. Wow. It's here. The ruins are where the yellow board is. We asked the real folks here in Holland, and I had a good rundown. And this gentleman here is actually running this wood mill, wind powered actually, and it's what a joy to have asked the right question. I was looking for the Roman walls. And bye bye. Thank you so much. Thank you. And here we are. So sewing the wood there, and the gentleman said he had no time. It's Wednesdays and Saturdays they're open. So here we are. That's the mill, and I was told that it would be that he hasn't got the time to show me. So the outer structure is actually made of thatched. It's hay, and the inner structure, it's incredible. The lower houses there, the pumping of water. What a setup, folks. What a